Well, we made it to the river.
Back to the lip ripping grounds.
Where have you heard that before?
Get me a peg.
You want that peg? You want to get pegged? Here, peg that.
I'll peg it for you.
Bend over and I'll peg it for you.
Get him! Yeah.
Roll.
Got him.
Look at the size of that giant troutzilla.
Got him.
Look like dinner?
Look like dinner.
You getting hungry yet?
I'm hungry.
You have to start a fire, huh?
I have to.
Why you gotta catch them all?
I gotta catch it first. Got dinner still riding on my line.
Hey, you want me to grab the net?
Get the net. Looks like lunch there.
I think you're right.
Think we should cook it up? Circle of life. Oh, it squirted.
Pretty good color.
Lunch is almost served.
Duke's getting hungry. Mother Nature's groceries, they're delicious.
Delish.
Smells amazing.
Smells delicious.
A little bit of chives to finish her off.
Oh, that's it right there.
Look at that perfection. Let's say a quick prayer to the Steelhead gods for blessing us with this lovely Steelhead lunch and this little prick that always grubs me.
It's not hard to.
Well, when you're the first one in the hole, bud.
Well, you had your chances and you struck out. Pretty good.
Now, Steelhead aren't the best table fare, but when you add a stick of whole butter and some lime and some chives and salt and pepper, some garlic, cooking on the campfire, it's amazing. I'm pretty sure that's the best steelhead I've ever eaten in my life.
It's
Besides
good.
smoked. It was out of the water about
Hour ago.
We cleaned it within 30 seconds of it hitting the bank after it was bled. That's the key too. Always bleed your fish out.
You got some? He approves.
Simply the best. It's better than all the rest. Duke always gets his Well, thanks for coming along with me and Landon and my dog while we caught a couple fish. Well, he did. We got hungry and ate one.
Grubbed you again, old man.
This new generation coming up, he's the only one that can fish at that age. Till next time, are you getting them?
It's hard being a dog, ain't it, Duke? It's a rough life being a Duke boy.
This bite's for you, ladies and gents.
Go make some babies.
Thanks for playing. Money. Oh, that looks good.